305.
Really?
Yeah, just
Wow.
like it's going from the bridge after you have it's going from the zigzag route
Okay.
and the motorbike.
Mission Impossible.
So like it's for Mission Impossible 5 is it the shooting here in Morocco, is it the party in Morocco from Casablanca and Marrakech? This is now a finished one. Yeah.
So it destroyed the whole village?
Yeah, so like this all is the damage for the earthquake. So like this is also you have this motor finish is only down only the damage. Yes.
And if you want to take 3-4 pieces, the price comes down. Just which takes the You want 4 pieces?
No, not all.
Which one?
This is for you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome, and that's me. I'm happy for your visit.
Thank you so much.
To extract the oil, we pass them in steps. The first step, we take off the shell like this to get the nut inside.
Okay.
Then we break the nut to get the almond inside also.
Okay.
With this almond, we can make in two kinds of the oil.
Okay.
So here we have. This is almond not roasted. We crush it like this.
Can it be? Can I taste it, or it's not allowed to
It's
taste?
very bitter, but it's very good for people who have diabetes.
Who have what?
Diabetes.
Okay.
Okay. Then we take, this is almond not roasted for argan oil for cosmetic, but for argan oil to eat, we roast them first. Okay.
Okay.
Then we grind it here. We take the almond, we put them inside, then we crush it to get the paste. Okay. Then we take this paste.
So we-
Argan oil. This is just pure argan oil without nothing. You can use it for face, body, hair, and the argan oil is very good for the wrinkles on the age, and it's not for the stretch marks. Okay.
Stretch marks too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we have argan oil with the perfumes, natural like this one with gardenia. This is with essential oil of gardenia. Gardenia is a flower. You can use it for your hair and body. Give me your hand to smell it.
Smells good.
Yeah. We have also argan oil with orange flower. Orange flower is very good if you have like headache or migraine. You can put it here. We do a massage. This is mint tea. It's without sugar.
Okay. Without sugar. Can I just put warm?
باش نعطيك ولدها باش نعطيك the kid with you the tea
I don't know. Maybe you can ask her.
The almonds in this traditional meal, we crush it after we have this mix. It's mixed argan oil with paste. For to separate, we add some water and we malax it by hand. The paste absorbs the water.
فلتر الانترنت الداخلي صاحبي دير مولو السن البهايمه او دير على حساب البهايمه من يد ما ده